In this tutorial, we'll explore the correlation map visualization. This procedure helps display the correlation between selected variables using color intensity. When dealing with tables with numerous variable pairs, it can be challenging to spot significant correlations or determine the strength of correlation. The correlation map comes in handy in these situations, also assisting in tasks such as assessing how predictors relate to each other, which is crucial for predictive modeling. Let's move on to the dataset car sales, which contains various car-related variables like sale value, vehicle type, engine size, horsepower, and so on. The goal is to identify the strongest correlations among these variables. To do this, let's navigate to the Predictive Solutions menu, then Graphs, and select the Correlation Map procedure. In the Procedure window, we start by choosing the variables we want to analyze. From the list of variables on the left, we move the previously mentioned variables to the Target List field. Next, from the list below, we can specify for which correlation coefficient we want to obtain charts. By holding down the Control key on the keyboard, we can select all correlation coefficients or only those of interest. For our set of variables, let's leave only the Pearson's R correlation coefficient. Once selected, we proceed without altering any other options and generate the chart. In the Results window, we get a graph for the selected correlation coefficient. The resulting graph displays the Pearson's R correlation coefficient values using color intensity, making it easy to distinguish between high and low correlation values. However, for greater precision, we can customize the chart further. So, let's go back to the Procedure window and click on the Properties button. In the Labels options, we can enable or disable additional labels on the chart: correlation coefficient values, variable counts, and significance test. Let's select the additional option for significance test. Below, we can also select the option to exclude insignificant correlations. Setting a threshold significance level value allows us to easily filter out statistically insignificant variable pairs. Let's select this option. The significance value entered must be in the range of 0.005 to 0.1. I'll leave the default significance level of 0.05. The Test of Significance section allows you to choose whether the correlation analysis should consider one-sided or two-sided significance. Below that, you can also specify how the procedure should handle missing values. Available options include pairwise or listwise exclusion of observations with missing data. The last option available for defining in the window allows adding a user template. After selecting additional options, click OK. Other additional options in the Procedure window allow you to add your own title to both the chart and the description. The Style option allows changing the color scheme and adjusting the dimensions of the chart. In this presentation, I won't adjust these additional settings. Instead, I'll simply click OK to regenerate the charts with small adjustments. As we can see on the chart, information about the significance level has appeared. Additionally, selecting the option to exclude non-significant correlations has made correlations with a significance level greater than 0.05 not visible on the chart. In summary, the correlation map allows for graphical representation of statistical relationships between various variables. It allows you to create separate charts for 4 different correlation coefficients. This visualization proves beneficial for analyzing mutual relationships within the data, particularly when dealing with a large number of variable pairs. The use of color intensity helps in identifying patterns and enhances comprehension of the data structure, leading to more accurate decision-making during analysis.